So this is another big parcel that I ordered.
Hi guys, so keeping it short, this video is about my first order from boodmo. I'll explain you guys, I'll walk you through my order. Let's go. I ordered all my parts on 14th of June, and if you can see, the expected delivery date was 17th. I got almost all orders placed and expected date delivery to be 17th or 18th. Then the dates got getting pushed over email saying the parts were not available. And I ordered multiple items, guys. Everything on the same day. I also want to tell you guys the parts are coming from different sellers, so don't expect all your orders to come on the same date. See, this order was placed again on 14th and I didn't get it yet. These are two parts, and this order I got it yesterday. These had around like 8 to 9 parts, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts in it. This order came separately on 18th, one part. This order yet to receive, and the expected day shows 17th, and today is 20th. So I am yet to receive. And that's it about my order history. I'll move on to explain you guys about the packaging and what I received. You guys can see. I'll let you guys know my experience at the end of the video for sure. Do watch till the end. This is the first puzzle I got, guys. Guys, so this is the bill which you get with the product, and I confirm every bill which I got was a GST bill. So it is taxed invoice. You don't have to worry about the bills at all.
The leather that comes around the gear lever knob. This costed me 180 rupees.
Looks perfect, guys. The leather, the finish, the paint on the circle is perfect. I don't have any complaints with it.
So this is another big parcel that I ordered. Packing is immaculate. Don't even ask about it. I don't think even Amazon and Flipkart follows so much of packing instructions nowadays. Nice. So to summarize it, this is the Suzuki logo, and this is a Maruti genuine part, guys.
Guys, so this is the Suzuki logo, Maruti Suzuki. This comes on the left of the rear boot on the Swift Desire, and this is not an MGP part. The first one was an MGP, but it's okay. I don't feel like any quality difference in both. This also looks immaculate. Moving on, the next one is the TDIS logo. This comes on the left fender of Desire. This is the Swift Desire logo itself, and this is also MGP. They opened the cover, checked the quality, and repacked it. That is for sure, because I can see the pins and all. That is okay. And VDI. This is the VDI logo. This patch again comes on the boot, the right side. If we talk about the packing, you don't have to worry about anything getting damaged. The quality of packing is immaculate.
These two are again Maruti genuine parts. Costed me around 160 rupees and 160 rupees. So okay, see, this comes on your left, this comes on your right. So these are the front chromes. I got only two, and the other two might be coming in another parcel. This is a pending parcel from boodmo. Good, happy with the parts as of now. Finally, so this is the glove box compartment. Okay, this was broken, so I didn't want to fix the lock and all. I just thought of getting a brand new one. I can see a hologram of boodmo here. That's it. No signs of MGP anywhere. Yeah, I guess this should work. Should do my work. That's it, guys. I'll summarize the video. This is one which I bought. This, two chromes, the first one and the second one, followed by the Swift Desire logo. Then comes the VDI, then the DDIS, then the Maruti Suzuki and the Suzuki logo itself. And the only problem I feel is like they take a lot of time to deliver you. So if you are going for them, it's a very good brand. You get good prices, you get good quality stuff. The packing is amazing. Make sure you have ample time. Like make sure you have a window. Like if you want a part in next 10 days, order it today. So even if the delivery takes 1, 2, 3 or 4 days, but if a part is not available, what I understood when I ordered everything, I guess they didn't have 1 or 2 parts of this. So I kept getting emails that your delivery would be delayed for by a day or by 2 days. So what they do is they source every part and make sure they send it. So this came from a different seller. All these came from a different seller. So that is the reason you would see two different packages. There is one more parcel that I'm yet to receive. Probably that is from another seller. I need to check my email. But yeah, but no matter what, if you guys are planning to buy from them, just don't think, just buy it, but make sure you have the window of time. Like if you want next 10 days, make sure you are ordering today. So make sure you give them ample of time to give you the service. And don't worry about the quality. As you can see, I don't have any complaints with their stuff. The quality is amazing. With this, I'll end the vlog, guys, and do remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll add on the next parcel unboxing. Probably I'll be getting it tomorrow. I'll update you guys. Like, share, and subscribe.